Namaste students, I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So in the previous lecture, we were discussing the topic design of production media for industry. So this comes under the subject upstream and downstream process technology. So the production media we preparing need various things like the carbon and energy sources, nitrogen sources, oxygen, and other requirements. So that produces the products and the byproducts also. So the we can use various types of media for industrial purpose. Like there are three types of media: synthetic, semi-synthetic, and the complex or crude media. So the synthetic media, which what is the synthetic media? Synthetic media, the composition of it is 100% known to us. Means every and each component you know about the synthetic media. What percentage of nitrogen is there? So what is the source of nitrogen is there? So each and every single thing is known to you about the synthetic media. You can use the synthetic media, but it is preferred to use the synthetic media as at laboratory scale only and the research purpose. Generally, in the industrial purposes, we use the complex or crude type of media. Okay, so second is the semi-synthetic media. So the in the semi-synthetic media, you know the components, but not at micron level. Means what are the source of nitrogen is there, and what are the different components, single components are there, you don't know. Okay, you know that the yeast extract is there, the beef extract is there, and what amount of extraction is there. Okay, but not the single salt, single and each amino acid, protein, and salt, you know about, you don't know about that. So you can use the plant and animal extracts, fish and microbial extracts for that. Okay. So next is the crude media or the complex media. So in the crude media, you use generally the plant or animal extracts here. Okay, so they have defined and variable compositions. Means the component in defined, but they it can vary. So if suppose you are using a plant extract, but plant is for different sources with different geographical sources. One is from India, one is from US, one is from some other country. So the component at lower level or micron level will vary according to climate, according to geographical location, the and according to season also. Okay, so if you are using an animal extract, so from which species you are using and which uh, type of geographical area you are using the same animal, the constituents will vary. So this is the crude or complex media. So media gives you the energy source like carbon, nitrogen, vitamins, the growth factors, other growth factors, etc. So for carbon sources, you can use various things like molasses. You can use the uh, malt extract. You can use the various starch, dextrins, etc. Cellulose you can use, whey you can use. Okay, so for nitrogen source, you can use the inorganic or organic, both type of the nitrogen sources, like ammonium salts. Okay, diammonium hydrogen phosphate, ammonia. Okay, corn strip liquor, yeast extracts, the things you can use. Next, you can use the peptones also, and the next requirement is the water. So optimal concentration of water or percentage of water should be there for each and every microorganisms. Next, the minor and major salts and minerals is there. So according to species, they vary. So if you you are taking E. coli species K12, so that will use a specific type of the carbon sources and a specific type of the minerals requirement. So you know about that. So next, the other factors like the vitamins and growth factors and the precursors, the inducers, etc. You will use. So for production, you many times you need to stop the processes in between. So there are a few specific inhibitors are there for each and specific fermentation process. So you can use the inhibitors as required. So other is the oxygen. So oxygen is used optimally and form of air. It will be provided in the form of the air, and it will generally have 21% in environment. Okay, so what are the other requirements you are using according to that you can vary the percentage of the oxygen in the composition media. Okay, so there are other types of the culture media also there. I mean, not only the microbial culture, you can use for the industrial purpose the animal cells, you can use the plant cells, and the requirements of the each and animal cell depends on the type of the cell. But majorly the animal cell culture require the fetal bovine serum FBS as a supplement, the CO2 and the moisture. Okay, so these are the um, your topic, the design of the industrial production media. So hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. This is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.